Discipline referrals in 90 seconds. They are legal documents. Remember that this discipline referral may end up in expulsion hearing being heard before a judge. Use black or blue ink when filling out a discipline referral. Don't use the red pen. Be specific about the incident. Put specific details so that the court can hear exactly what happens when you fill out your discipline referral. If inappropriate language was used, make sure you put in direct quotes what was said. If you write down the student cussed me out, we don't know what language was used. So write down the exact words and how they were stated. Be clinical. Understand that with this document, that when you're filling it out, that you list only facts, you state only facts, and you keep your emotions out of it as best you can. Keep the relationship intact with the student. This is probably the most important thing. Whenever I fill out a discipline referral, I explain to the student what they did wrong, and I tell them it's nothing personal, it's strictly business. Go down to the front office, get this taken care of, and when you return and have done your penance for your incident, we will move forward from here and put this behind us. So keep the relationship intact with the student. Our goal is to make them better and teach them how to conform to society. That's the goal.